In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a long list of data from Excel to Word. I have a long list of fields here. There's actually 25, and I would like to send these to a multi-paged Word document. Now, each of the fields I have put into my Word document, and for example, in client name, I have entered client name, and I have put 2 square brackets around there. And then I put client name. And then I put client name, ending 2 square brackets. And so what it's going to do is it's going to search the Word document for client name. And then whenever it finds client name, it's going to replace Minnie Mouse 3 into wherever it says client name. I've done that for all the 25 fields that we have in this list. I'm sending it to a multi-page Word document. Now, the only Word document I have access to is a Word template that I've created for a course that I have taught previously. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to press the ReplaceText button here. And then it should come up and ask me to select where the location of the Word template is. And so I'm going to say go OK. And then I'm going to go to my documents, and I'm going to custom office templates, and the one I'm using is vertical manual for merge doc. So now it's going through and populating all of the fields, and then it's asking me where would I like to save this file, and then we go back and I'll have a file folder named Tuesday, and I'll save it there. Okay, so let's look at the file that we've created. So I'm going to select my file folder. I'm going to Tuesday, and I'm going to Minnie Mouse 3. Every place where I have put a field with square brackets around it, so there's Minnie Mouse 3, which is the name of our client. I put a yellow line underneath so it's easy to find. And so there we have Minnie Mouse 3 again, so we've populated it twice in this field. And then my address is 123 somewhere, and we've put it in here. Then we have the address in question, and then we have 4503 11th Avenue, and that's there. And it's one more time, 4503 11th Avenue. So that is how the document will look when you're done. So now let's go look at the code. Before we go through the code, on the Visual Basic window, you're going to go to Tools and References. And these are the references that I have checked, so this will run. Okay, so now we have declared some objects. Object Word, the application of Word, and Word.Doc is an object. Set Word.Doc equals create Word.Application, and object Word is document.Add. And so then we go down and we say set Word app equals GetObject Word.Application. Then we have our little pop-up saying what files we want to use. Then set object to Word.Application, open string file, which is our temporary file, and read only equals true. And now I have this one line of code here and it says on error, resume next. That means that if it can't find one of these fields, it's not going to end the program, it's just going to continue on to the next one. And so for each of the fields I have basically the same thing. I have the client city, and then it being replaced by the value of C3. And then at the bottom, we close everything out. So we name our file the customer name, which is a value in C1. And then we ask them to select where the file is going to be saved. And then we save the file with the path that they've selected, and the format is a Word document. I will, of course, include this code in the description of the video. When I save this in the description of the video, it will be long. I might have to delete some of these for it to fit. Please subscribe.